Hi there, welcome to the add-ons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cart amount-based free shipping discount in WooCommerce. This means your customers will automatically get free shipping when their cart reaches a specific amount. For example, free shipping on orders over $100. Now, if I reduce the order value to below $100, the free shipping option will disappear. You can see it. Now, let's set up step by step. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Dynamic Discounts. Click on Add New Rule. This will open the rule configuration page where we can create a new discount. First, check Enable this discount rule so the rule can start working on your store. In the rule name field, enter free shipping over $100. From discount type drop-down, choose free shipping. This type allows you to automatically remove shipping costs when conditions are met. Scroll down to the Rules section. Click Add Condition. Cart subtotal greater than or equal to 100. This means free shipping will only apply when the cart total is $100 or more. Next, we have the discount bar option that helps notify customers about the offer. Click Save Rule. Let's test it. Go to your store. Add product to the cart. The cart below $100, you will still see the shipping cost applied. Now, add more to the cart. And the system will automatically apply the free shipping option. And that's it. Now you know how to create a cart amount-based free shipping discount in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.